If you're looking to add a little bit more America on your 2015 and newer F-150, then adding these fender flags in black would be an awesome and low-key way to do so. Now, the decals will be made using high-quality vinyl and will include flags for both the passenger and driver side, right around $20 for the pair. Now, installation will be fairly straightforward, but as always when working with vinyl, you're gonna want to take your time. So either way, figure a soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, a few minutes to get them on from start to finish. So this really is a simple product designed to increase the freedom on any given 2015 or newer F-150. Now, the decals have been designed in a way to give the effect of the flags flying in the breeze, if you will, as the vehicle moves forward. And that's going to be pretty standard for flag designs on cars, trucks, airplanes, and so on. Now, unlike a lot of our other vinyl graphics here on the site, the fender flags will actually be printed on clear or transparent vinyl, because otherwise keeping all of these stripes kind of straight and uniform during the install would otherwise be a tricky task. Now, that vinyl has been rated for up to 7 years of harsh outdoor use, along with being fade resistant for up to 5 years thanks to the protective clear coat layer. Now, the backside of the vinyl itself does feature what is called air release technology, and that's just going to allow you to remove any bubbles easily after the install has gone down. Now, on that topic of installation here, guys, the kind of cut or relief in the flag is going to align perfectly with your fender, in return making the install that much easier. And to prove it to you, here's a quick detailed walkthrough of the job, along with a few tools needed to make it a little easier.
So the first step of this install is going to be to start with a clean vehicle. Either take it through a car wash or wash it yourself, and then make sure that the work area has no debris left over. Next, I'm going to apply some soapy water to the surface before I stick my vinyl decal on. Now I can peel back my vinyl, and I'm also going to apply some soapy water to the back of it to make it more easily adjustable before I start squeegeeing it out. All right, now that I've got a nice slippery surface to work with, I can get my decal located exactly where I want it to be, and then I'll start to squeegee out all the air bubbles with the provided squeegee. Once I'm happy with where it's sitting on the vehicle, I can start to wipe away all the excess soap and water, and you're good to go. And that's going to wrap up this review and install for the fender flag in black for your F-150. Thanks for watching, and for all things F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.